Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and a new video. As we are entering into winter time, it's already time to start crocheting winter stuff, and one of them I have started is an infinity scarf and this ear warmer for the winter. So I'm gonna show you how I made this. If you are familiar with the knit stitch or with my videos, you know already that I made a hat using this knit stitch, and I made a scarf as well using the same stitch. If you're interested to know how to achieve both, I'll put the link in the description box so you know how to achieve it. But for now, I'm gonna show you how to make this ear warmer. Very easy to do, simple yet nice and chic to wear. If you want to know, stay tuned with the rest of the video. So to begin with, I'm using this yarn from Lion brand, and it's like the feel of this yarn is like wool, but it's 100% premium acrylic. And I'm gonna start with a chain. So for a beginning, so I'm gonna make a magic circle, and I will chain 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here for the demonstration I have made only 30 chains, but the actual project is using 80 chains. So now I'm going to show you how to close this circle and how to start working in a circle. So this is the front chains. What I mean my chains, I have to make sure they are all facing outside before I close my chain. So the beginning one should be matching the last chain, means I will insert my hook inside the front of my beginning chain, so it is all aligned together. Okay, I'll make sure the thread is left outside. Again, this is the front. Okay, and I will close my circle. It can be a little complicated, we just need to be patient and close them. So this is how it is. This is front, and we'll pull with a stitch, with a slip stitch. Hope it's clear. We'll pull it all with a slip stitch, and this is what you get. It's like a bracelet. Okay, now I'm gonna chain 2. Okay, and I'm gonna work half double crochet in each chain. Again, one half double crochet in each chain all around until the end of my row. So I chain 2. Now in the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make one half double crochet, pull through all, next one, yarn over, insert your hook and pull through all, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through all, and I'm gonna do the same again as I said till the end of my round. Okay, as you can see here, I'm at the end of my row, and I'm gonna join with a slip stitch on top of the initial chain 2. Okay, and this is closing my first round, and now we're gonna see how we're gonna make this knit stitch from now on for 10 rows. So again, I'll yarn over this time, okay, and you see this V, this is the result of my half double crochet. There is another loop behind the V, that's where you're gonna work. So you have one loop, two loop, and third loop. You're gonna work with a third loop. So onto the first half double crochet, this is the loop. So 1, 2 and 3. After yarning over, I will work my half double crochet through that loop, and I will go to the next one, yarn over onto the third loop, work my half double crochet, yarn over onto the next loop, work my half double crochet. And you see it makes the look of the knit clear, because you're protruding or you're bringing out the V shape of the half double crochet, which makes it look like a knit stitch. So yarn over again through the third loop and pull through all. That's what you're gonna do for every row. Now you don't need to close any row, you'll just work into spiral, but if you want to know where you started, put a stitch marker on the beginning of every row, so you know at the end of your work where to stop. And this is all you have to do throughout your work. Just a half double crochet on the third loop of each stitches or each stitch. And this is the knit stitch. This is what you're gonna obtain at the end of your work. When you stretch it, you see how it looks like. It's very pretty and simple, easy to achieve as well. And this is the final look. You just continue doing the same. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.